How to upload and share files on Google Drive. Open a web browser. Go to google.com. Sign into your Google account. Select Google Apps. Select Drive. To upload a file to Google Drive, select New. There are 3 ways to upload files to Google Drive. The first is to create a folder. Then upload your files to the folder to keep them organized and easier to manage. The second is to upload files directly to Google Drive. The third is to upload an entire folder to Google Drive. Open the folder you just created. Select New. Select File Upload. That's how you upload files to Google Drive. To share the file, select More Actions. Select Share. Select Share. Select anyone with the link. Select Copy Link. Now you can share the link with your friends. You can also share an entire folder. That's it. You've learned how to upload and share files on Google Drive.